If you have been running into this Chatgpt is at capacity right now, then you need to watch this video, as I'll be discussing 3 surest ways that you can use to bypass this error, and VPN is not one of them. If you have been using VPN to access Chatgpt, stop right now, because if you try it now, you will get access denied. And if this is something that interests you, let's go. The first solution to this is to click on Chatgpt on your laptop. Whether you run macOS, Windows or Linux, there is a way you can install Chatgpt on your system. If you have not done that, you can check around this video somewhere at the top. I'll put a link there. Just download and install. It's very simple. Just watch that video and you get to do that. If you come to your system, just load your Chatgpt. Most of the time, this will fix the error. But if you try this and the error is not fixed, then let's go to solution number 2. The second solution is multiple refresh. You have to refresh the home page multiple times until it brings you the login interface. Usually, this will happen within 1 minute. In most cases, when you do 5, 6, 7 refresh, you are going to see the login page. But this is strictly by luck. It may take longer than that and it may take lesser, but it will always work. That will always work. Now, if that does not work, let's go to solution number 3. Solution number 3 is to go to beta.openai.com. The solution number 1 is to click on Chatgpt on your system. That always works. If that does not work for any reason, just go to the browser and do multiple refresh. It will work. If that does not work, this is the last solution that will always work. Just click here, sign in. If you already have an account, sign in and you are good to go. This will always solve the issue. This works just the same way your normal Chatgpt works. See, it's already bringing in my details. So just that the interface is a bit different, but it does exactly the same thing. Your prompt will work here just like it works. Then once you are here now, the next thing to do is to come to Playground. This works exactly like your Chatgpt. Just come to Playground and you work. That is it. Thank you for watching. If you have a different method that I did not discuss in this video, I want you to leave it in the comment section so that others can learn from it. And if you have 1 or 2 opinions, or you have tried this method and it works for you, leave it in the comment section so that you can encourage others to try it as well. And if you do and it doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment section, but I bet you it will always work.